Today I'm cooking a simple stir-fry watercress with egg. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 500 grams of watercress, washed and cleaned. I recommend buying young watercress as the stems are thinner, softer, and easier to eat, especially for toddlers or elderly. This is what it looks like. 3 chicken eggs, 150 grams of fish cake or fish tofu, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, and 5 tablespoons of cooking oil. Start with cutting the watercress into small pieces. Put them in the big bowl. Leave them aside. Next, cut the fish cake into small cubes. All done. Now we can go and cook it. Switch on the heat, add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and wait for about 20 seconds for the oil to warm up. Once the oil is warm, add in all the eggs, sprinkle 1/8 teaspoon of salt and all of the pepper. Stir until the egg is cooked and well combined with the salt and pepper. This will take around 1 minute. Alright, the egg is cooked. Remove the eggs from the pan and leave it aside. In the same pan, add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Since the pan is very hot, the cooking oil gets hot really fast. Add in the fish cake. Stir fry to cook it for 2 minutes. Okay, the fish cake is cooked. Switch off the heat. Remove the fish cake from the pan and leave it aside. Next, put the pan back on the stove and switch on the heat. Add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and chopped garlic. Give it a stir and cook until garlic is brown and crispy. Since the pan is still hot, it will take around 45 seconds. Alright, the garlic is ready. Remove some garlic off from the pan and leave it aside. There is some oil and crispy garlic left in the pan. Add in watercress. Although it seems like a lot, once it is cooked, the volume will reduce to half of this amount. A lot of water will be released from the watercress as well. Continue to cook for 1 minute. Next, add in seasoning, the balance of salt, light soy sauce, sesame oil, and oyster sauce. Continue to stir for 2 more minutes, or until the seasonings are well incorporated. After 2 minutes, the watercress is cooked and has released a lot of gravy. Switch off the heat and pour out all the gravy from the pan. Put the pan back on the stove and switch on the heat. Spread the watercress around the pan. Add in the fish cake and the eggs. Give it a mix. Now I can give it a taste. Yes, delicious. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred. But for this, it is already perfect. Switch off the heat. Add on the crispy fried garlic. And stir. Alright, we are done. Very simple and delicious meal. This is best eaten immediately once it is cooked. Let's dish out and serve. Let's eat. Oh wow, delicious. Sweet and flavorful. Watercress is still crunchy. The eggs and fish cake give a lot of flavor to the dish. Lovely. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.